Good morning, Ron. All right, here is your beautiful 637S on my flathead. Looking pretty. A little bit of bright light there. No leaks. Everything's looking good inside. She's tested up and adjusted. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Looking good, looking good, looking good. All right. Oh, while I'm here, two things. Do not plug this hole, otherwise it will not run. This is part of the porting package. A tube connects here and goes back into the air intake. Your throttle return spring should look like this when the throttle is closed and at idle. Alrighty, let's take a look at some numbers. I've got her idling right now at about 660. You can set it wherever you want it. Fuel pressure at about 2.75. Yeah, looking good. Vacuum right up there at about 22 and change. Okay, might be a little bit too rich, but we'll get it worked out. And there's my dwell at 42. All right, let's pull her through a couple times. Beautiful response. All right, sir. I think you'll be happy with it.